Now, on this series 3 part 5, we are going to be doing the foundation base tagging. And to be fast on doing that, we are going to achieve two things. One, to complete the foundation layout and also achieve the foundation detail. Alright, footing details. So what we'll do now is to come here and copy the existing foundation detail that we have here. Alright, we'll come here and copy it with the this thing that we have here. So copy it like this. Okay, we'll copy it together. Now, while we come here now, we then type what? CP. Make sure you don't move, copy. So you copy this now, and then you move up. I'll just off my auto first, and then move it properly. And then I'll keep this here. I'll keep it above first. Alright? I'll keep it here. Now, when I've kept that there now, what I'll then do now is to copy this title sheet here, and then move it. Okay? I'll move it. So that I know that any footing that is on the sheet is the one we are working on currently. So this is the existing one that is on this template, and then we are going to be working on our new one now, pasting them here. Okay, that is fine. So now let us look at the footing sizes that we have here. The lowest footing size that we have here is I can see there 1 by 1 with the depth of about 300. So since the lowest one is 1 meter by 1 meter, that would be our what? FT1. And FT1 simply means footing type 1. That's the meaning of it, footing type 1. Most people use BT1, that means base type 1. Most people use BFT, that means base footing type 1. Okay, so anyhow you want to use, but the one that is more common is BT and FT. For me, I like to use FT. Okay, that is fine. So I'll be using FT. So anywhere you see FT here, it means footing type. Then the next thing that follows is the number, the type of it. So since our smallest footing type here is FT1, sorry, 1000 by 1000, we'll call this size footing base type 1. Okay, that is fine. So with this now, we then come now to our sheet here, copy anyone here at all, anyone at all, copy it, and then copy off my snap, copy it, and then I off the snap by pressing F3 key, function F3. So I'll come now, locate that footing type 1. Where is that place again? Remind me for that. This is it, correct. I'll come now and paste this here. And once I paste it, automatically I'll just change the name first to what? Footing type 1. That's FT1. So I'll come now and then change to footing type 1. So we'll come now and type here 1 and put 1 here, and I'll press what? OK. So with this now, this is now called footing type 1. So what I'll do now is to now copy this. I'll copy this now and populate it. I'll copy this. I'm going to be looking out for the one that has footing type 1. It's like 1 by 1. Alright. So we have this here. So this now becomes what? Number 2. So now footing type 1 now is now a 2 number doors. So this is 2. Again, let us go and be finding them. 2. You palm. We have one here. This is 3 number doors. You can see that that's 3 number doors. Let's see here. No, it is not found here. So we go again. Let's see where we can see it again. Maybe I think it's, let me see here. No, it is no, it's not here. So you just find everywhere on your foundation layout. If you see the same footing, when you see that, you just paste it, and then now we are currently on 3 number doors. Don't forget. So you can see that we don't have anywhere again. So it is only 3 number doors for 1 by 1 footing type. Okay, that is fine. So we now come now and then look at it. We already have a sample here. We copy this as it is like this. Copy this entirely. Zip, or you can choose to move it. You move it entirely from here, and then come to this place now, to the sheet, and keep this here. Alright, you keep this here. Don't forget that the name is what? Footing type 1. Just to bring more like more sense to it, I will also add the name here. Show here bracket FT1, so that they know that that's the footing I am talking about. So with this now, I will then come and change what? This is 3 number doors, not 4, because it's 3 that we counted. Okay, so I'll come here again here and put here 3 number doors. So with this now, I will arrange this and make sure it is centralized like this. Now that we have this now, next again, let me just slice again. What this means is that I will now come now on our detailed one that came from Portal Detail. Don't forget I still have that. This is the footing details that came from that. I'll copy it now. I'll copy it like this now, or move it, and then come here. Remember that move, I type enter to move it. I will keep this here, somewhere here. Now I'm going to transfer all this information that I have here into this place here. Now you can see that here they say is 5T12 at 200. Same thing here too. 5T at 200. Okay, that's fine. So I'll come now and change what I have here to 5T12. This is saying 16, so I'll put it back to 12. Okay, since they have the same size, so this is now 12. Okay, that is fine. So now, instead of us drawing everything afresh, we just modify the one that we have on Stonebridge on, because Stonebridge on has several footings. So you just pick what you have there and then, okay, so with this now, we then go again now and look at this dimensioning, if it is how it appears on the main detail that came from total detail. Okay, that's fine. So we come, you can see that we have 387.5, 2225, and so when you have this, you don't use point at sight. So one will have to be 388 and one will have to be 387. So put the half that you have here into here. So if you put half into here, that will give us a 388. So now it is either 388 and 387 or 387 and 388. So let us go now and then see what we have there. You can see that 387, so this is okay. So everything now gives us a 1 meter. Let us look at this other one here too. 388, 387, so the same thing, one will have to 388, okay, that's fine. So we'll come again now, let's see here. 388, now one will have to 387, so let us change on 387. So when they add all together, that will give us what, 1 meter. So we'll change one, that to be what, 387. Okay, that is fine. So with this now we have 387, 225, and this everything gives us a 1 meter. So with this now, let us see again. Then on the foundation here, we have here to be what, 300 depth, and concrete cover to be what, 50, and this 50 watt projection. So let us transfer this into this place too. Now let us see what we have here. Now on this now, we have here 350, so here meant to be what, 300. Okay, so we'll convert it to about 300 here, 300 here, we'll come here, 300. All right, now you can choose not to touch anything here by because they are not going to measure at sight. They'll just take the size that are seen here and then dig. Okay, that is fine. So then come here now. Here now is meant to be what, shaped like this. So we can come here and then do something like this. All right, and have something like this. Okay, that is fine. And then escape, MA, enter, and match this like this. Match this. Then delete this, or we can still leave it and then click on this, click here, and then have something like this. So with this now, we touch this, MI, enter, that's to like mirror. We now mirror this from the center to mirror this and keep this and then say no, and then we have this. Okay, that is fine. So we now have this. So we then let's now see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 bars showing here. What do we have here? We still have 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and that 5T12. So we have also transferred this here. Okay, no need for you to dimension this stuff here, like to show from here to here. Just leave it. Okay, that is fine. Although you can see dimension it, but for me I just leave it. Okay, that is fine. So now now the column size too. What's the column size? You can see it here. 2 by what? Okay, this one is saying 450 by 450, although it's meant because it was scaled by ×2. Else and the column size you can see it here, 225 by what, 225. Okay, that is fine. So the same thing that we have here. Okay, can you see it here? Correct. So right now we have not transferred everything that we have here into this, so we cannot choose to remove this, delete this. Okay, so the same now this now shows that this is the footing detail of this footing type 1 that we have here. Okay, can you see that? What we can also do again is to put a grid line for this. So we can come now, click on this, and then add a grid line that's to show that this column is at the center. Okay, I add it like this, and again come again here, click on this, go like this, not too far, not too close, just like this, and again here too, click on this here, and again here, keep this here, and again here too, click on this, and then click on this, and then click on this. So with this now, I'll then type MA, enter, and match my this thing here. I'll match on this, and then click on this to match this and this. Don't forget that what I pressed was MA. So I'll click on this again just to be sure, because this grid lines is not meant to be thick. So I'll make sure I choose my line width to be what, I can choose 0.1 and 0.008. okay, that is fine. So it's 0.09 line thickness, just for it to be very, very faint. So with this now, we have done for footing type 1. Okay, that is fine. Let's now move on to what, footing type 2. So let's look at the next type. The next size now, after 1 by 1 meter, is what, is 1.2. You can see that by 1.2. We don't have 1 by 1, so make sure you look out for the next footing size that is the closest to like the next one. Okay, that's how you like target. So we now go again now, and then call this one now FT2, footing type 2. So we click on this here, paste this here, escape, come here, and type what, FT2. Come here, footing type 2, put this here, put 2 here, and then click on this. and then come here, click on this now and copy. So right now, let us look at the number doors. This is one already. So we'll come now. This is 1. We also have it here. This is 2 number doors. We come again here. Let's see anywhere again here. We also have it here. This is 3 number doors. Okay, let's see again. Where again do we have that? 3 number doors, 3 number doors. Come again here. Not this one, not this one, not that one. Let's see here. No, it is not here. So currently 3 number doors. Let us see again. It's not here. Let's see the last one that is under here. It doesn't look small. Let's see what the size. No, this is 1.3 by 1.3. No, okay, so it's not here. So currently 3 number doors. Let's see this one here. No, it's not that one. Let's see this other one here. It's here. So now again, we paste it here again. That is 4 number doors. We'll come again here. We go. It's not here. We'll go again. Not here. We go. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. So that time we have only 4 number doors. So now escape now, and then go to our sample here and pick up 1.2 by 1.2. Can you see that here? We'll pick it up. We'll pick it up like this now and move it. So move it now into this our place here where we're working on. We come now and then place this here, not too close so that they not clash, and also not too far. Okay, we'll keep this here. Then we'll change this first to 4 number doors so you cannot make mistake. So 4 number doors here, 4 numbers. So we come here and put this 4. This NOS means numbers. Okay, that is fine. So we come now again and add FT here to this our title. Okay, we now add FT bracket FT2. Then close the bracket. And again, then we come again now, edit this to 300. Right, 300 here. 00. Okay, that is fine. And again, delete this here, delete that, and then come here, click on this, and then click on this, and then CP or CO enter, copy from this point on your F3 key, and then paste this here, and click on this one right now, MI enter, and again come here, find the midpoint. You'll see it, click there, and then rotate on your auto, and then keep this here and say no. So with this now we don't have this, and then let's now take the one. Now you can see that this is not centralized, so make sure you centralize them like this. Okay, that is fine. That's okay. Then come now and go and take the sample from your design sample, which is from here. You come again here, you move 1.2 by 1.2 for to transfer these things that we have here, our design parameters that we have here, into the detail we are currently doing. So we'll come now and we'll transfer this 1.2 by 1.2 first, and come here and keep it above here. No need for you to add this section for this. It doesn't make sense because they are all the same. All right, only cotton section is okay. So here I'm saying 6T12. That's 6 numbers of what 12 diameter at 200 spacing. So we come now and change this 16 to 12. I can come now, right click here and say find. All right, find. I'll say okay, find what? This is another way to like change something if there are many. I'll say find T16 and change it to what, and replace it to what, T12. And I'll say okay, replace. And I'll say, you can see that it does not, can you see that? It does not replace 2 numbers. Can you see that? And I'll say okay. So they have changed, if you can check it here very well. They have changed to hold on for that to like display. So you can start now that they have changed. Okay, can you see that? Correct. So you can change it using find command as I just did. So now let us now confirm for the for these numbers again. Let's see. So we come now again. You can see that we have 487.5. So one will be 488. Okay, 225, and then so you can see that the same thing that we have here. Okay, so no need to touch anything here again. Then also the same thing here too. 488, 487, 1200 and 225. Let us confirm that again here. So we'll have this here. So if there was any change, you have to modify this one now based on the size that you're seeing here. Okay, that is fine. But as long as you're using Stonebridge, we already have all the sizes for the footing, except you have a rectangular size. You can then modify, but just use the same procedure to modify that. Then let's say the same thing again. Let's see again. Then also the column can still go on to 225 by 225. Okay, that's fine. And then we also have this here. So with this now, we have transferred for this 12 by 12 from the design into our rework. Correct. So we can now have this. Let's now move to the next footing type, which is what I think the next. This is type 2. Let's now go and find the next one, which is we can, to be finding the first, come to your design detail here. You see the next type 13 by 13, although make sure you like confirm again, because yeah, that you don't have any. So for now we have 12 by 12, so the next one will be 13 by 13. Okay, that is fine. So we come now and then you can see it's, let's see, you can See it here. So we'll paste this here now, okay, and then change it to FT3. Okay, that is fine. FT3. So the same procedure, I'm going to pause this video and then come back when I'm on the last one, because the same procedure you see me do for FT1 and FT2, the same procedure that we are going to do for all of them. Okay, so I'll come back when I'm on the last one, which is this 1 2 by 1 2. So now the reason why I'll come back here because this one has different depth. Can you see that 1 4 because it's 400 millimeter compared to all other ones that I have that have similar size. So I'll come back when I'm to do this one. So the same thing I will be doing for this that I've done for this FT1 and FT2, I'll do for this FT3. So I'll pause this video now and then finish up all the FT3, FT4, and I'll come back to when we are on this last one. So use the same procedure you have seen me do for this footing 1 and footing 2 for all other of your footing. Okay, that is fine. So see you on as we come back to the last one here. Or just to carry you along, I will not be talking, but just be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, that is fine. So this is 2 number doors, 2 number doors, 2 number doors. They'll come now. Because if I'm talking, I will spend much time, because this is a real life work that I'm doing currently. So this is 3 number doors, 4 number doors, 5 number doors, okay, 5 number doors is 1 3 by 1 3. Escape. So I'll come now. Let me see if I have that footing. Yes, it's here. So I'll come now, move this. That's 5 number doors. Okay, I'll keep this here and I'll change this now to 5 number doors. Here becomes 5, sorry, 5, and I'll come here and add FT3 to it so they can understand that that is the footing I'm talking about. Close here, FT3, close here, sorry, not that one, close this one, put a space here, come here, make this like this, centralize it, change this footing to 300, then come to copy the footing detail that I have here, move it, not copy, move, keep this here. What is the footing? T12 at 200, 7012. So just to change the game to 12, this into like 12 now, 12. I'm just to copy it, come to that one too, click on this and also change this one too. That's fine. Then what else? 538 5537 225. Let's just confirm. Yes, 538 correct one. Okay, that's fine. So with this now we are done with this one. So I'll come now and remove this and I'll move to FT4. That's footing type 4. So I'll come again now, copy this one, copy this, find footing type 4, which is this one here. So I'll change it now. Okay, that is fine. So I'll change this. So when you're doing your foundation design in using this software, make sure you that's when you like group your footings so that you don't have so many footings like draw. So group them, okay, so I can have few, not much. I'll copy this now. So this is type 1. This is 1 number doors. This is 2 number doors. This is 3 number doors. So note, number doors, even if they are the same size but different depth, that will give you a different number doors. Don't go and, for example, if this was 1 4 by 1 4 but having different depths, automatically that will be FT5. They can only be the same number doors, like the same number, if they are the same size and the same depth. Okay, that is fine. So I have lost count. 1 2 3 3 now. We are 3 now. We are 3. This is 4 number doors, 4 number doors. This is 5 number doors. This is 6 number doors. This is 7 number doors. So we have 7 number doors for this one by 1.4. I'll come now, copy, move this. Okay, I'll move this now and keep this here. I'll come now, change this to 7 first, just to be so that I will not forget. Else I'm not gonna be counting again. 7 number dots here. Add my ft4 here. Space it. ft4. Close the bracket. Change it to 300. Okay. This is meant to be 16, but let me just confirm first. I copy. Sorry, 12. I confirm again by coming here. Move this 1.4 by 1.4, as you can see that. Move it. Move the main design footing to this place. Keep this here. I have T12, can you see that? 12. And then I'll come and change this now. Change this now to 12. 12. See, enter. Come again now. Paste this here. Okay, that's fine. And then this is already 587 and 58, so one will be 588, so we already have it here. Can you see that? As long as they are square footing and 225, can you see that? So no need to modify that again. I'll come and do what? Remove this. Okay, and I will then come now, take this off again. I'll then come here now and copy this, CP or CO on my snap. Do this here. We didn't do that here before. Put that here, and then put that here. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Then click on this, MI enter on my auto. Make sure I find the middle. No. Find the middle, else you can't do nonsense. So we come here, that'll be correct. Then go up, keep this here, say no. If you say yes, the other one will like delete. So make sure you say no. So we come here, click this and say no. Now then I'll then come now, click on this, CP or CO, enter. Make sure I choose from the midpoint. Okay, come here, click on this, off my snap. If I cannot find the midpoint of that, what I will do then is to I'll click on this and click on this, CP or CO, click on the edge of the column and keep this here, and again keep this here, and again keep this here. Then I'll do what now? I'll then extend this, I'll move this up because it's not meant to be at the same line with the center line, and keep this here. That is fine. Again, I can move this up again here, move it up a bit, not too much, and then extend this. Okay, that's fine. And again, move this again. Okay, come here, keep this here, extend this. Now the best part is this center line is meant to come out a bit, not too much. So I'll just keep it like this. Okay, that's fine. So I'll keep this here, come again here, keep this here, come again here, keep this here. That's fine. So that's the best part. Is actually it's not meant to be directly, meant to come out from this. That shows that that is center line that has continuity. Okay, because if it's inside the thing, it shows as if it's part of the footing. So you bring it out like sorry for that. Correct. So we come again here, click on this. I'll off my snap just to avoid that mess that just happened now. I'll come again here, click on this, click on this, click on this, click here, click here, click here, and then here, and again here, and again here, and then here and here. That is fine. So we have done this. I'll come now, centralize this one first, and again move this backward a bit. That's fine. So we then come now and then do for FT5. So I come again here, copy this. FT5 now will be 1.5 by 1.5. So I'll come and locate the next footing, which where this one here. So I'll put this here and then change this first. Okay, I said I'll stop talking. I don't know why I'm talking. Forgive me, I just like to talk. So I'll keep this here and then come here, CP or CO, copy this. Now footing type 1. Sorry, number one number doors, not this one. Okay, one number doors, not here. not here, not here. 2 number doors. Okay, 3 number doors. Okay, 4 number doors. You can just give it here. 4 number doors. Okay, so 4 number doors now. That's what we have. 4 numbers of 1515. This is it. Can you see that? This is it. So I'll copy this now. No, I say move, not copy. Move. I'll move it. I will come now and then keep this here. We have 4 number doors. So I'll come and change this first. Else it's very easy for one to forget what he has counted. So this is 4 first. 4 number doors. Come here and add ft5 to this. All right. So I'll come now. Click on this here. Click on this. Click on this. ft5. Then close this bracket. And then click on this, change to 300 to the actual footing that you designed for. 300. Click on this. Alright, that's fine. And then take this off, delete this, centralize this first again. Centralize this. Come here, copy this, CP or CO, take it from here on my snap. That's by pressing F3 key, and then keep this here. Click on this, MI, enter. Find the center point here, which is here. Click on this, go up on your auto to keep line straight. Press no, S to take off. That is fine. Then go and look at that. Go and copy the footing detail now for 15 by 15. Move it, don't copy, move it. So I know that one has gone off. Then off your snap, so off your auto command. You can keep this. Let us keep this here. So with this now, I can see that we have 8T12 and at 200. So here is showing 16, so change to 12. Can you see that? So we have custom sizes that is that over the years we have seen that is the most likely footing size one will get based on his or her designs. Okay, correct. So every year we update Stonebridge to make it more easier for detailing. All right, okay, that's fine. So I can choose to click on this, take it off upward from the center point on my this, and then keep it like this. Correct. Now let's now confirm again what is this thing here. This is 637.5, 225, and all that. So let us see here. You can see it here. One will be 638, one will be 67. So add it up together, will give you this. Okay, that's fine. Let's see this other side now. This is 637. All right. So let us see now. You can see that here it's showing 300. That shows that this is not the footing size. So what will I do? Sorry, this not the column size. I'll take it off because here we have 225 for the column. Can you see that? By 225, that's a square footing. But here we are having what? Rectangular footing. So what do I do now? I have to put a rectangular square footing here. So what do I do? I first of all divide this footing first by 2 by having my central point first. Okay, that is fine. I can do that by simply XL, enter, V, enter. Come here, look at the middle here. Keep this again, XL, enter, H, enter. Come here, look at the middle, exactly the middle. Keep this. Then come now, copy this footing, 60 square footing, and the grid lines. Copy them. Wait, that's fine. From the point there, center point there. Come here, off my auto. Come here and then keep this here. Then come here, click on this, and then take this off. And I'll come now. You can see that right now, correct. So with this now, then come again, XL, enter, H, enter. I'll come now, click on this column and on this column here, and adjust this. I'll come now, highlight this using the green highlights. S, enter on my auto. Click on this and stretch it to this. Okay, again here, highlight again with this thing. Make sure you highlight all the arrowhead and this thing. Then again, stretch again, stretch. All right, instead of using move. So I said they can flush with the column line of what the dimension. Change it to what 2 by what 225 or your column size that you have based on your design. Okay, that's fine. So we now have this now. I'll then come and do what, take this off. That's fine. So we then have this correct. So with this now, we can now go and delete what this. Okay, delete this off, and then that is it. Let us confirm again the size of this again. Like the number does, I think it's 4. Let us see again. That's FT5. We have FT5. Let's see. We have 1 number doors. 1 number doors. We have 2, 3. Yes, 4. You can see there 4. So we also copy this now to do for the next one, which is FT6. That's then footing type 6. off my everything, off my snap, and then come here. Let's now find the next footing size. We don't have FT6, I think so. Yes, what we have is FT7 as the next one, so we don't have FT6. Okay, so we'll come now and paste this here. Now we actually had FT6 before, but what happened was that I have to convert it because FT6 was just only one number, so I have to group it to make it to be what F17 by 17. Understand? Okay, that is fine. Okay. So I'll come now. Most people might say, oh, that is over design. That is just one. So the cost is not even much. In fact, you can even feel it. So we come now and then put what FT6. That's fine. And then come and put this here. So I'll now copy this now. This is one number doors. I'll copy this one. I'm going to find for 17. That is one now currently. We have 2 here. We have 3 here. We have 4 here. All right, we have 5 number doors. We have 5 number doors. Let us find for 17. Okay, 5 so far. Now I had 5 number doors currently. Let me adjust this to be at least not too close to the line and correct here. So 5 number doors for 17 by 17. So I'll come now. You can see that's what I'll have here. So I'll have to change this now later, which I'll show you how to modify that. I'll move this now. So we have 5 number doors, so I'll keep this here like this now first, and change my number doors first to 5. Okay, first of all, to 5. Okay, to 5 like this. 5 number doors, and I'll come now, increase them. Sorry, not do this. Add FT6 to this stuff here, and I'll space FT6. Close this bracket here. Okay, that is fine, and then move this like this. Just like this, remove this thing, okay, change this to 300 as the footing, as you can see before. You can verify this from your design, which you have already here. Then come now, this is meant to be 12. I will like paste this in later. So we come now and then come here, change to 12. All right, the same thing we have been doing before to confirm from my design. Correct. I have seen an error just now, which I'll show you just now. Don't forget that I said that this is a real life project that I'm doing. So you can see that here, when we change this thing, we didn't change this. So this is meant to give us the same thing that we have here. So here it's going to be 1638 and 1637 at the other side. Okay, that's fine. So we come now. 38. You can see that. So make sure you don't make any mistake when you're doing that. Okay, 1637. So everything now will give you what 15 as the overall dimension. Then 1638. Correct. That's fine. So we are going on this now. So I'll now come and do what? Pick up the designed one, 17 by 17, which we can see here. I'll copy this now. Move and keep this here. Correct. And then let's now we have to do what? You can see 9. We have 9. So we'll change that's 9012. So we'll change this now to like 9 instead of 8. That was here. Now become 9. This now becomes what? 9 number doors. I'm sorry, 9 numbers of T12. So we come again here, 9 number doors of T12. Then again, we come now, click on this, CP or CO, copy from, let me copy from here, this edge, come here, and then keep this here, and extend. I will click on this first, hold my auto key to on my auto, keep this here, copy that's already okay, that's fine. So with this now, we are meant to have 17 by 17. Can you see that? 17 by 17. So with that now, let's now work on that. We don't have 17 by 17. So let us confirm this first. So what we'll do now is to do what? Increase this by 100. Alright? Just extend, like, see what I'm doing now. I'll highlight this like this now. I'll highlight both the footing detail under here, this section detail here. Highlight this and stretch this by 100. Alright? By sorry, since it's once it's currently by 50. Okay, 50, and again here too by 50. So that becomes what? 17. Same thing, add this one to it. Stretch this by 50. Again, come here, stretch this by 50. Again, up here by 50. So that gives us a 17 by 17. All right, correct. So now modify the dimensions that we have there. So by 50 here too. So with this now, by doing this, we also modify this. You can see where the center point is here. So we hold this, move to here, correct? And then enter, hit enter, click on this, and click on this, and move this like this to here, and then XL enter, extend, correct, that is fine. And then take this off like this. Let's confirm the vertical area if they are flushing the same point, this and then this. It's not flushing, we can see that, so I'll do this again. That is, I choose to do stretch, do it like this, come here and then keep this, correct. Again, I highlight this and I'll hold my shift key to not display this one, type S, enter, I stretch this, correct. So the same thing now, so I'll now come and also remove this one too. Okay, then we now have, let's now transform this. This is 737 and 738, so one will be 738, okay, so that's fine. So come now and then put this 737 738, you can start with 7, okay, and then copy it. So we come now, click on this one there, okay, and then paste that here, and again change this one to be 738. Paste this first, remove this and put 8, copy it, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then come here, put 8, and paste it here, paste it, then come here, click on this here, sorry, this is 1700, okay, and again Ctrl A, Ctrl C. So you can see how to modify that. Now this is why I don't like pausing video, and as that you can be able to flow. Understand? Because the reason why you bought this course is not for me to pause the video, so that you can be able to see the sequence. Okay, so right now we have eight numbers here, sorry, 9 numbers here. But if you count this, because this is like a section cutting through, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what I will do, I'll be adding 1. Now note that you don't need to be exact, okay, right, like be based on dimension, or there are some clients that you have to be make it bigger, like follow the dimension. But just that you can see that now if they count it, is showing 9 numbers, but doesn't mean that this spacing of 200 are like equal, but at least they have the information about 9 numbers, okay, that is fine, correct. Now this is to make your drawing like faster, to achieve a faster drawing. But if it's too detailed, all these spacings are meant to be to 200, by you not do something like this. Do something like this. As you place one here, all right, you now do offset 200 and then offset like this. So the next one now is meant to be here, all right, and not here, meant to be here. But I don't want to follow that takes time a lot. You are going to spend almost a month doing the drawing. So just to make sure you use engineering tactics and transfer every detail that they have here, because they're not going to measure it at site by using ruler or something. They will just be reading your paper, what they have on the drawing. Okay, that is fine. So we now take this off, because if you count this now, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Same thing here too, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, correct, that's fine. So we'll come now and take this off. So now move to the next one now, delete. Now to the next one is a 18 by 18, which you can see here. So we come now, click on this, CO, copy this from here, off my snap, off my auto, keep this here, and then click on this, and then I'll come now, here now is now footing type 7. So I put here 7, correct, and then click on this, CO, copy that. Now this is 1 number doors. Let's see if I have no one here again. We have almost finished everything here. So come now, there is 18. This is not 18. This is 2 number doors now. 2 number doors. Let's see here, nothing here again. This is another one again, 3 number doors. Where again? Let's see, nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, nothing here. So let us move this one back here. So 3 number doors, that's what we have only. Okay, that is fine. 3 number doors. So we'll come now and copy this, because now we don't have any sample again. Okay, so we'll copy this now. Although other Stonebridge templates have other ones, just copy this like this and then modify. So you can see that. So if in case you don't have your own size, you can see how I modified that, right? Correct. So this first is 3 number doors. So you can modify actually 3 number doors. Then this is FT7, so footing type 7. Okay, so you come here and say 7, and here 7, and then I missed something here, which is this stuff. So I'll just copy this right now, CO, on my snap, copy this, and then come here and then put this here again. MI, enter, come here on my auto, keep this here, yes, and click on this tool like this, click on this tool like this, CP or CO, copy from midpoint to midpoint here. Now note that this size is 18 by 18 and 17 by 17. First, I'll change this first. 18 by 18. Now, instead of changing first, let's go and copy. I'll go and move the design parameter on. This is the design. This is the designed one. Move it. The 18 by 18. Let's see into this place here. Okay, that is fine. So we keep this one here now. Okay, so we then come now. You can see now. We then begin to transfer. This is 18 by 18. So you have 187. You can see the 187. And so one will be 187 and then one will be 188. The same square footing. But first, let's see the labor 9012. Okay, that is fine. So we also have 9012 here. That's okay. That one didn't change. So we then come now and then add 50-50 again. Alright. Although since they are the same number of bar under here, 9. Can you see that 9 numbers? I will not have to change anything again. What I'll just do is just to come here, put change here to what? To 8. That's 1800. 18 here. Then here will be 787 and one will be 788. Okay, that is fine. So come now, put 8 here and then here 88, 788. Okay, so this is one of the tricks you do, that if you see it going, oh, this one is fine. Okay, that is fine. But if the person is going to review your drawing based on soft copy, then that's when you can choose to draw it. But even at that, you still have your point like proof. You understand that you just transferred all the information, knowing that they're not going to measure it at sites, because what they'll be reading is in paper. You understand? Although they have different way to like do detailing. Understand? Different ways. So this is one of the fastest way to like do that. You understand? But they also have you can do it by drawing to standard, by 1-to-1, like drawing these things as they are by not changing any value, by just drawing them, and that takes time a lot. It can take you weeks. You understand? So we can keep this here, not weeks but a month, actually months. Okay, so we keep this one here. Then everything is transferred now, correct? So you can see that everything is transferred 18 by, so you can, so this is 18 here, will be 18 now. Here will be 18, correct? So we have transferred everything here too. Okay, so we have this now. So we have this here now, correct? That's fine. So we also come now and then delete this one now. Okay, that is fine. Everything is transferred, correct? That's okay. Then we're now moving to, let's see, footing type 8 now, right? Yes, we are on type 8 now. So we'll copy this now and then copy this of my auto. Then this is type 8. Can you see that? That's 2 by 2 by 2. We don't have 9, so we move to 1 and 2 by 2. Okay, so we change it to what? Footing type 8. Okay, then copy this now. This is 1. So either circular or rectangular, as long as they are the same footing size and the footing depth, we call it that footing type. So this is 2 number doors, this is 3 number doors, and then this is 4 number doors. You can keep this one here, 4 number doors. Okay, let me keep it here because I will tell you the reason why. This is 4 number doors, this is 5 number doors, 5 number doors. Okay, that is fine, because if I keep this one here, when they print this thing, they might be seeing this thing as 1, so they might read it as 81. So I'll keep this one here. Yeah, so 5 number doors, right? 5, yes, 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Okay, that is fine. So I will copy this again here. Copy this again now. I can choose to copy. Let me see if it will enter here. It will not enter. Can you see that? So that gives me now room to make a new sheet. So I will copy this now and then make a new sheet. Now on this new sheet now, I will like remove the ones that's already on the sheet 1. I don't like this thing. Undo again, copy again now, like this, copy again, keep this here, escape. Now I will now remove these ones that we have here already. As you can see that already, take this off and also take this one off too. So this yeah, we'll now start with footing type 8, okay, which is number dots, footing 5 number dots. I will like again, I have like lost count. So again we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 number doors, 5. So we'll come now, first of all change this to 5 number doors first. 5 number doors now here, 5. This thing here will be 8, footing type 8, 8, and here too is 8, correct? And then we then come now and then look at go here and move it here, move to this place here, and then keep this. So we then come now and then this is 10 T12. So we come now first, change it to 10. This now becomes 10 now, 10, right? And again here too is 10. Here becomes 10 to 10. Okay, correct. Then we now have to do adjust by 100 for us to achieve 1, 2, because now currently 118. So we need then 200 extension left and right. So we need to put 100. So we put here 100 here, which makes this one to be what? 19 by this 100 becomes 19, and again 100 here again, it becomes 2000. Do you get? Correct. So we come again now, and then I forgot to extend this one. I'm going to do that too. Here 100, and again here 200, 100, and then we need to extend this one like this now. Come down like this by 100, enter, again highlight like this, then select the borderline, stretch it up by 100. Okay, then I'll have to move it downward a bit to go from the borderline. Then I'll come now, change this to 2000. 1, 2, 3, correct. Again here to change it down to 2000 here. 1, 2, 3. Again, let's see now. We have 887 and 8881 with 888. Okay, same thing here. We got there's a square footing here. So we come now, and then we'll do click on this place now. 887 and one will be 888. So just come here now, like this now. Change this to 8. Copy. Okay. Let me say again. 88. So come again here. So put one here 8. Come here, put it 8, and come here, put it come like this now, and then paste that. Correct. Then everything here is the same. Now we need to add, since it's 10, our bar here is showing 9, so we need to move this backward a bit to add additional 1 at the front. You move it backward using your eye gauge, then you add one more 1, so that when someone is seeing it, they will like see it as if it's equal spacing. Okay, that is fine. But if it's a full natural detailing, you're meant to use spacing using the vertical line to divide them and then put your bucket. That's fine. So we now have this now. So we have transferred everything now from here, as you can see that. Okay, transferred everything now into that place, so we can delete this off. So this is now footing type 8. So let us now go for the last one. Now we have done a lot. Let me save. If not, if anything crash, we will like lose everything. Okay, that is fine. So we then move again now, and then once it's done saving, is it done saving? No, it's saving. Still saving. Okay, that is fine. It's still saving, not yet done. It's still saving, not yet done. Almost done saving. Almost done saving, not yet done. Okay, so I think it's done saving now. Let's now do for the last one, which is here, this one here. So we copy this now. This is one footing type. Sorry, I think I missed one. You can see that we missed one here. I don't know if we added it among our counting. This is 1, 2 by 1, 2, but I don't think we added it. Yes, okay, yeah, it's here. I don't know why. Since I didn't see it, let me keep it here. So we didn't miss anyone actually. So let's now copy this now, and then copy this now. This is now footing type 9. So we come now and then add it here, 9. So we copy this, CPO. This is footing type 9, right? And have 400. So we come here first and copy the last footing now. I said this footing took us almost 1 hour. That's because we are doing two things: tagging the footing type and also drawing the foundation detail, which is a very big way to like maximize time. Else, if you do separately, you just get confused. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so with this now, let's now copy this now. We copy this again, like this. Keep this here first. Okay, since it's just one foot now, just keep it like this, and then change this to one number dot because it's just one that will have just one. So we come now and then make this like this, 1, and remove this because it's not x. X is polar, so we have only 1. So come now and then make here to be footing type 9, and again here 9. That is fine. Hope I'm sure that what we target was 9. Let me see. Correct. That is it. So we then come now. This is 400. So here's the place. This is 400. So we change to 400. 400 here. And to have a visual representation of it, we need to come now like this now and then stretch by 100. All right, stretch by 100 downwards. Correct. That's fine. Arrange this again well again like this. Then we have to now to make it out to be 2 1 by 2, because that is what we have here. 2 1 by 2 1. Can you see that? By 2 1. We need to, and then here is 11 number doors. We need to add 100 to our stretching. We come like this. Make sure you add this to it. We stretch by 50. 50 here. That is 1850 and 2850 currently, and again and 50 here. Correct. Then again here 50 down, and again here and again here 50. Okay, I can choose to move this bar downward. I just want to do that, although you can leave it there, just but let me just move that like this now. Then come here and add my bar to 11 because that's what we have on our design information. 11. I can just copy it, then click here, same thing to paste it there. Correct. And again now, correct. We then come now, what do we have again? We have done that. Then now change it to 2 1 here. All right, this becomes 2 1. This becomes 2 1 1 here. Let's see, this is 3. Okay, 3. That's fine. Then here 2 1 here. Then here now we'll change to 937. I will show you on that place. 937, and what will be 938? 938. So if you add everything together now, it will give you what 2 1. As you can see it here from our design information here. 397, and now we have to be 398 just to avoid that point. So same thing here too. So we have replicate this here too. 937. Sorry, correct, and 938. So we come here to 938, correct. So with this, then we now have to do what? Add the bar. Since we have 11 now, this bar here is showing 10. So we need to adjust this a bit like this, then adjust everything back again a bit, then adjust here a bit again, just to have a clearer, just to have a resemblance that if someone looking at it, they will know that they are equally spaced. I'll put this one here. Okay, that is fine. So you can ask that we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 bars. That's fine. So with this, we can now go and delete this one. So sorry, we have a bar here. You can see there a side bar, because once your footing depth is more than 300, sorry, 350, once it's up to 400, you need to have a side bar, and here is t over 200. So I will come now and then copy this bar here, CP or CO, copy, just copy like this, CO, enter, like this, come here, of my snap, keep it at the middle of that for the sidebar, and also come like this too, keep one here too of my snap, keep it here. That's fine. So I'll now have to do a tag it. So I will come like this now, copy this like this, save your CO, come here. What is the name that was given there? T12. Can I add 2 on the, can I see that spacing? So I'll come now again, and then touch this bar like this, and then I'll just remove this number, just leave only at the T12. Remove this like this, correct. Then come here, move this, something like this, correct. And then okay, maybe just to avoid any, I can do something like this actually. Just watch, so that they'll see the part that I'm like pointing. Something like this. All right. I can do something like this. But no worry, they will still know that I'm pointing that bar. I have to come and do what? Come here, copy this arrowhead, copy that from here, come here, and add it like this. I can even add it here, then extend. So then take off this, correct. So we have this now. I'll then that's to break line, break from here off. So we now have this. So we have transferred every information that we have to that place. This goes off. So now that we have two numbers, two sheets for footing, I'll come out here and say footing type 1. Watch me. I'll come now and say footing type 1. Okay, that is fine. And I'll come now here and say footing type 2. Footing base, that's part footing, part base detail. I'll see part of the type 2. So okay, that is fine. So then this is part, they are still footing. Okay, that's fine. So with this, I can see what I've done now. So once I've done this now, I can now come here, click on this now, because we have not changed all this size now by footing tag. I'll click on this, right click here, select similar, and delete it. So anyone now seeing this now knows that okay, this is the footing tag. Leave this column tag first until when we are ready to do the column tag, because the next thing now is to do column tagging, which is the last thing for this footing, and then cut the section. Okay, that is fine. So that will be on our series 3 part 6. Okay, part 6 will be the cutting of section and the column tagging. And the column tagging too, the column tagging can stay. That will be the last thing that we'll do when we'll be doing column detail. All right, so on the column detail we'll do the column tagging. All right, because after footing detail, next thing is column. Can I see that? So when we do column, we'll now do the tagging. Okay, that is fine. So the series 3 part 6 will be on to produce this section. All right, this section I'll just show you. It doesn't take time, less than a minute. Okay, then what we'll do now is just to copy this like this now first. Copy this title and then place title under here. Okay, that is fine. So on the next series we will do the sectioning, to cut a section through the trench. Okay, that is fine. See you on the next section. Bye for now. Let me save this first. So I'll just save.